Let's take a look at this SAT prep problem. If the area of the circle in the figure above is 36 and ABCD is a square, what is the area of triangle ACD? So let's start with what they give you. Here are their answer choices right here. Start with what they give you. Area of this circle is going to equal 36. Now we do know what the formula is for area of a circle. That's going to come out to be pi r squared. Pi times the radius squared. So let's set 36 equal to that. And if you notice, the radius is going to equal 1/2 of the diagonal of this square here. And that diagonal is going to be the hypotenuse of the triangle that we're looking for, triangle ACD. So let's go after that radius here, and then we'll think of it in terms of a hypotenuse of that of that triangle. So let's solve for r. Divide pi from both sides. And then take the square root of both sides. So the radius is going to turn out to be 6 over the square root of pi. So now that we know what the radius is, double that radius is going to equal this diagonal, or the hypotenuse of this triangle, as I should say. So let's double r. 2r is equal to the diameter, which is also equal to the hypotenuse of the triangle. So 2 times 6 over square root of pi. It's going to come out to 12 over square root of pi. Now, if you notice, we know that this is a square here. So therefore, this is a right angle. And these two sides are equal since it's a square. Since these two sides are equal, it's an isosceles triangle, or isosceles triangle with a right angle, otherwise known as a 45-45-90 triangle. So in a 45-45-90 triangle, these are the proportions. This side equals x, this side is equal to x, this side is equal to x times square root of 2. So if the hypotenuse is equal to x squared root of 2, let's set that equal to the value that we got for our hypotenuse. X squared root of 2 is equal to 12 over square root of pi. Now we divide both sides by root 2. Therefore, I just found out my value for x, or the value of each of these sides, which are the same. Now, we take the area, the formula for area of a triangle, which is 1/2 the base times height. This is the height, and this is the base. So it's going to be 1/2 12 over square root of 2 pi times 12 over square root of 2 pi. Multiply straight across. 12 times 12 times 1 is 144. I said that backwards, doesn't really matter. You can't multiply anything outside of the parentheses, not yet at least. But if you notice, everything under the radical here is the same. So this radical is going to get knocked out. It's going to become 2 pi. Then we carry this 2 over. So 2 times 2 pi is going to end up being 4 pi. Bring everything else over. 144 divided by 4 is going to equal 36. We keep the pi there. That's our final answer. You notice it's going to be A here, 36 over pi.